At the end of some of my workshops, someone in the group will ask me, does this work with every group? Or are we just special because we've gone out of the comfort zone and done all this big, bold, crazy stuff together? And the truth is, it works 99.9% of the time. However, there was one group that totally failed. This was a presenting passionately workshop. And throughout the workshop, we start with the presentation that everyone does, and then we do a lot of different things, learn a lot of new tools, and then we end with a final presentation. And usually every group looks way more confident and bold and exciting and engaging. Except one group I had, everyone collectively got worse. And the confidence wasn't there, which is horrible because my company's called Bold and Confident. I want people to walk away feeling confident that they really let it out there. And this had the opposite effect. And someone in the workshop, one woman who I was kind of counting on as feel like the most daring, risky one, she looked so bummed out. It was like, I think I got worse. And I felt horrible. And of course I said, well, you can't expect to just incorporate these tools and be able to just succeed right away. Like, failure is part of the game. And I try to say that in my session. But it was a tough one. It was a tough one, and I left wondering, what did I do wrong? Because it felt like I did everything I had always been doing that I knew was successful. And of course I could have left that and been like, it's their fault. I'm just gonna blame them, their group dynamic wasn't good. But of course I was a big part of creating that dynamic, and so I wanna take it on as full responsibility and say, how can I do this better? And the thing I'm really feeling like I learned from this failure is to really double down on letting people know it's not only acceptable to fail in this workshop, but it's also encouraged. And we're going to get a lot out of it. And it's going to be a huge gift to you and anyone else in the session. And we're not here to do good work. We are only here to grow. And I feel like by really banging that note over and over, it helps people understand today's about being bold, taking risks, not worrying about having it come out right. And I feel like that has helped because it hasn't happened again, and created a lot of safety. So yeah, here's one of my workshop failures, and hopefully I've made it glorious.